In today's video, we are going to be looking for locations for my new vending machine business. That is right, guys. After hating on the business and learning a little bit about it, I finally decided to start my very own candy vending machine business. So in today's video, I'm going to be looking for some locations for my vending machine business. Hopefully I find at least one or two. I'm not going to be taking this business super seriously because it's just a place to invest my phone flipping business's profits. So with that all being said, guys, let's get into the video and start looking for vending machine locations. Okay guys, so just to let you know, we are not going to be placing a vending machine in a location today because my strategy for finding and starting my vending machine business is to actually get the locations closed before I buy a machine and place it in there. So if everything goes well, at the end of today's video, I'm going to be ordering a machine or two. Okay guys, so we were at the first location. I'm just about to go in right now. This first location is actually a gym, and I'm gonna try and pitch like a gumball machine because maybe people who go to the gym like gumball machines. I have no idea how good of a location this is. I might as well try it. I'm gonna live and learn from my mistakes in this business. It's just something I'm doing for fun. So I don't know how good of a location it is, but I'm just trying to close a few today. And also guys, I do wanna mention that I have a mic, so I'm gonna be able to pick up sound when I am recording inside trying to get the location. So you're gonna hear my pitch, but you won't be able to see like anything from the screen. I'm gonna put up some like images because I won't actually be able to record. I'll just be able to record audio. Hello, so are you the manager here?
I'm Aaron's assistant, yeah, but I can still help you out.
Okay, so I was wondering if potentially you guys would be interested in having a vending machine in this location. It would look a little bit like this, like a one-head gumball machine or whatever. It could be anything. And I was wondering if you would be interested in potentially having it in here.
Do you have any more like information on it or like
yes.
or something
So I could write down my phone number for you if you would want to get back to me, because I know you probably have to talk to other people here.
Yeah.
So I could write down my phone number, and then if you guys are actually interested, could I maybe write it down? I'm sorry, I didn't bring anything.
No, you're good.
Okay.
If you have like anything you can email over to, I can give you our email address.
Okay, yeah, that works.
Also, is it like because I know this is going to depend when I ask her ups. Is it like something contracted? Would we be paying for it, or is it just something you want to set up here and kind of like?
No, so you won't have to pay for it at all. It's literally just a little gumball machine, and I even do pay a 10% commission to you guys, which it's not substantial or anything like that, but it's just kind of, you know, a thank you.
Okay. Yeah, we will sometimes do stuff like that in the community and everything like that. It's just being franchise-based. Sometimes little things like that they don't like because it might be different than other clubs.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Put the idea forward.
Okay.
Like that, so.
Here you go. So I just put my number, and then do you want like an email or me, or should I get an email from you guys?
I will give you here if you want to take it. Our email is just burlington.wi@planetfitness.com.
Burlington.wi. Okay, yep, thank you. I'll email it.
Okay,
awesome.
Thank you. Yep,
I appreciate it. Bye.
That.
Okay guys, so we just finished up with that first location. I mean, I did go after a franchise gym, so it couldn't have gone that well. It was probably not the greatest idea on my part, but I'm trying as many places as possible so that I can learn about the business, which locations work, so I can kind of teach you guys from my experience. So I passed over my phone number, I got an email. Honestly, I don't expect too much from it. Hopefully things go well, but we're gonna head over to the next location, which is actually a pizza place, and it doesn't have a machine. I checked yesterday, so we're gonna head over there right now. Hopefully it goes well. Hello, so I was wondering if I could talk to like a manager here. Okay, so I guess my question for you is, would you guys be interested in potentially having like a gumball machine in this location? Do you actually have your phone, Audra? I can show them how it looks. And then like if you guys would be interested, like I know sometimes there's a wait for like pizza and people are sitting here, and maybe if they're not willing to wait that long, a gumball machine like might help or something like that. So if you would be interested, like this is kind of how it would look, just a simple one head. I could probably, I could put it like right there or however.
What is your name?
So my name is Will.
Okay. And the phone number?
My phone number is 262-492.
That one, I don't know if we can do them again, because we used to have some of that kind of stuff, and then they pulled it out. So I'll find out.
So, so you would like ask someone else, like the owner, or?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so just get back to me.
Bought out by a new franchise, so I'm not sure what their policy or what their desire is with that.
Okay,
kind of stuff,
yeah, that
but
sounds
I can
good.
find out.
Just let me know. If yes, then just give me a call. I could get the machine anytime. So,
Okay,
thank you.
thanks.
Bye. Okay, so I just pitched Pizza Hut. It wasn't the best idea. Like, for some reason, I thought pitching franchises was a good idea, but I know they have to talk to, the franchisee owners, corporate, stuff like that. I realized that was just an absolutely terrible idea. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to non-franchise places now, and hopefully it goes a lot better. I'm going to be going to a nail salon, and hopefully I close that location. Hello, so I was wondering if I could talk to like a manager or someone in charge here.
What do you want to?
Yeah, so it's about potentially putting a vending machine in this location. Like, Audra, do you actually have your phone? I want to show them like how it would look. It's like a single head like candy vending machine, and I was wondering if you would be interested in having one in this location.
No, I'm sorry.
No? Okay. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Okay, guys, so that was another fail. The people didn't want a vending machine, which is totally fine. You have to deal with rejection in this business. And honestly, this is a little bit harder than I expected. I thought I'd walk in like the first or second location and get it closed, but it's a little bit more difficult than that. And it also doesn't help that it's totally raining outside. I don't know if you guys can tell. So it's kind of a grind right now. Hopefully we get at least one location for you guys today. It's a lot more difficult than I thought. And now we're on to the next location, which is a burger joint. And it's not a franchise or anything like that, so we probably could close this one. It's totally raining. Point to the puddle right here. Like, it's terrible. It's pouring. It's terrible weather. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. So this is the last location we're doing for the day. So it's our last hope.
Hi, what's up?
Hi, so my name is Will. I run a vending machine business, and pretty much what I do is I just put like gumball machines or like little one-head machines in different locations. Audrey, do you actually have your phone? Because I want to show you how it looks, and I was wondering if you guys would potentially like one in your location. I feel like it would do well, in case.
You would need to send me some paperwork, and I'd talk to my owner about it.
Okay, so I'd have to send you some paperwork.
Yep.
Okay.
Like how much it costs.
No, actually it's 100% free. So I'll actually, I'll have the machine, I'll pay you guys a commission. So it'd actually be a moneymaker for you guys.
Okay.
It's a 10% commission.
Write something up and drop it off.
Okay.
All right.
Great, thank you.
How it is, what you're about, where the proceeds go, all that kind of stuff.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, guys, so unfortunately, it was another fail. The person asked me to provide some paperwork, and honestly, I don't know how to figure that out. So I'm just going to type something up and then drop it off tomorrow. Hopefully, I end up closing that location. That's probably the only maybe I got, the realistic maybe that I got. So hopefully I can close them. But with that all being said, guys, I think that's going to about wrap it up because I failed at those 4 locations. I don't have too much more time and it's completely raining outside. So I'm going to be back on the hustle. There's going to be part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 until I get my first location. And obviously in the coming episodes, there's going to be way more locations that I'm going to be filming in, because today is only 4, but next weekend and the weekend after that, I'm going to be doing like 10, 20, 30. Okay, guys, with that all being said, thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. Please be sure to drop a like for part 2 of looking for locations for my vending machine business. And with that all being said, guys, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be in the first 2,000 subscribers.